Assalamu Alaikum. Today I'm making a unique and filling Sehri recipe. Episode 1. It's called Shami Kabab Anda Ghotala, perfect for Ramadan mornings. Heat a little oil in a pan on medium flame. Add 1 chopped onion to the pan. Cook until onions turn soft and golden. Now add 1 tomato and 2 green chili. Cook until slightly mashed. Now add 2 Shami Kababs and mash them properly in the masala. Beat 4 eggs well. Add salt, black pepper, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes. Mix well. Mix gently until eggs are cooked and soft. Add fresh coriander and give a final mix. Mix well. Add oil, 3 tablespoons. Alhamdulillah, final done. Serve hot with paratha or bread. This recipe is very filling and perfect for Sehri. If you like this Sehri special recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next Sehri special episode. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us for the Ramadan series.